Inside every cell of your body, there is a book. This book is written in a language of just 4 letters. It is a story that began billions of years ago. It has been copied, edited, and passed down through countless generations. This book is your DNA, the code of life itself. It holds the instructions that built you, from the color of your eyes to the way your heart beats. Our goal today is to open this book together. We will explore what this code is, how it works, and how your life choices can add new notes in its margins. We will see how it has shaped the grand story of human evolution. And we will look towards a future where we can read this code to heal, to understand, and to prevent disease. So, what exactly is this code? Think of DNA as a vast and detailed encyclopedia for building a house. This encyclopedia is written with an alphabet of only 4 letters, A, T, C, G. These letters are arranged into words, and the words are arranged into sentences. Each sentence is a specific instruction, known as a gene. A gene might contain the instructions for build a brown pigment for the eyes. A gene might contain instructions to construct a protein that carries oxygen in the blood. Your body contains about 20,000 of these genes, each one a recipe for a crucial component of you. These genes are neatly packaged into structures called chromosomes, like volumes in the encyclopedia. Those volumes are kept safe within the nucleus of nearly every cell. The real workers of the cell are not the genes themselves, but the proteins they describe. Proteins are the bricks of your body, the mortar of your body, the wiring of your body, and the plumbing of your body. They are the microscopic machines that do almost everything. When a cell needs to perform a task, it doesn't consult the entire DNA encyclopedia. Instead, it finds the specific recipe, the gene, it needs. It then makes a temporary copy of that gene, called RNA. For a long time, we thought the DNA code was destiny. We believed that the sequence of letters you were born with was the final word on your biological fate. But science has uncovered a new, fascinating layer of control that sits on top of the DNA itself. This is the world of epigenetics. The word epi means above or on top of, so epigenetics literally means above the gene. It is a system of chemical tags and switches that attach to your DNA. These tags don't change the letters of your genetic code, but they do change how that code is read. They can tell a cell to read a certain gene more often or to ignore it completely. Think of your DNA as a giant piano keyboard. The keys themselves are the genes. They are fixed in place. Epigenetics is the pianist who decides which keys to play how loudly and in what order. The DNA code is not static. Over geological time, it changes. When a cell divides, it must copy its DNA perfectly, but the copying machinery is not flawless. Occasionally, a typo occurs: swapped, deleted, inserted. This is called a mutation. Most mutations are harmless, like a small typo in a huge book. Some can be harmful, causing disease. Occasionally, a mutation is beneficial. That tiny advantage can drive evolution. Over generations, rare advantageous mutations accumulate and diversify life. This shaped our species. As humans migrated out of Africa, they encountered new environments, new climates, new diets. Each challenge created selective pressure. In cold northern latitudes, lighter skin helped make vitamin D. That trait grew more common over generations. We are living in an extraordinary moment. For the first time in history, we can read our own genetic code quickly and affordably. What once took years and billions of dollars can now be done in days for a fraction of the cost. This ability is transforming medicine from a one-size-fits-all approach to something far more precise and personal. This new era is called personalized medicine, precision medicine. By understanding your unique genetic makeup, doctors can predict your risk for certain diseases, heart disease-specific types of cancer, allowing for earlier screening and preventative measures that could save your life. This genetic knowledge also allows for more effective treatments. Have you ever wondered why a particular drug works wonders for one person but does nothing for another? The answer often lies in our genes. Our DNA contains instructions for building the proteins that process medications in our body. Small variations in these genes can make someone a fast metabolizer, a slow metabolizer of a certain drug. With a simple genetic test. For more interesting anatomy facts, hit like and subscribe to The Human Blueprint.